Verb to send in 4 conditional English tenses. 1. Conditional present, conditional simple. I would send. You, we or they would send. He or she would send. 2. Conditional present continuous, conditional continuous. I would be sending. You, we or they would be sending. He or she would be sending. 3. Conditional past, conditional perfect. I would have sent. You, we or they would have sent. He or she would have sent. 4. Conditional past continuous, conditional perfect continuous. I would have been sending. You, we or they would have been sending. He or she would have been sending.